Hello everyone, welcome back to YouCut Video Editing 006 tutorial. My name is Ambini. Today we are going to learn how to add titles and song subtitles. We will also put animation on a text. Remember, we are only using free version. We may not have a variety of text styles, but they are perfect for beginners like me. Since this is a music video, we will need to be ready for the music lyrics. I already saved somewhere in the notes from my tablet. That way, I don't need to type again and save time for faster editing. Let's get going. Find your note application from your phone or tablet and open it. This is where I put song lyrics or text so I can easily copy from it. This is the best way while editing. Now I am going to add text information of the song title and some animation. Let's jump on it. Open up the YouCut app, look for our old project and open it. Move the orange bar to where the music starts. Click on the free space and click text. Type the song title. In this case, I am going to type stars. To make the text bigger or smaller, press down the text border arrow diagonally, just like that, and then place it to where your desired location. Now I'm going to choose text style. Press AA next to the keyboard, then choose any free font style you want. Next, I'm going to choose text color, label color, border color, and shadow color. You don't have to choose all the things I just mentioned. Observe how I am choosing the color. Next, you may need to choose text animation. Press animation next to the color. Choose any animation you like and then adjust the timeline. After you are all done with these things, press checkmark to apply. Do you see the blue bar? You can extend to your desired length. Now we are going to add another text. Select the text we just created. Find the copy and press it. You will need to move the copied text because both texts will be at the same location. Move where you want to put it. Select the text and press edit. Retype the text, in this case, various artists. Adjust the text size and extend it. You can also change style, color, and animation. When you are done, press checkmark. Now I am going to shorten the second text because I want it to appear after the first text. Select the second text and move the arrow to your desired place. Move the orange bar and play to see it. Now I'm going to add another text. I am going to copy the second one. Do the same steps like the previous text. After that, test to play it whether you like it or not. How do you think we just did? I like it so much. Now I'm going to import the song lyrics from the notes I just mentioned earlier. There are lots of phrases from that note, so I am going to use the same font style, color, and animation. Let's nail it. Go to your note and select and copy the first line. Then go to your edit where the song lyric starts. Press on the free space and then press text. Press down the orange blinking line and paste it. Move the text where you want it to be. Adjust the size and extend it. You can change the font style, color, and animation. Remember, we will use the same format as we go. Nothing changed, only text. Copy the text and move the next one. Go to your notes, copy the next line. Now copy the text and move the next one. Select the text and press edit. Delete the existing text and paste the new one. Then press checkmark. Play to see the singing and the text are matching. If not, move the text or adjust the timing. Now, I'm going to add the rest of the text till the end of the song with the same format. Let's do it. Nothing changed, just the text. Please make sure the sound and the text are matching. Adjust the timing as you go. Well done. We did a great job. I hope you learned from here and make the content better than mine. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.